Cryptocurrencies add nothing useful to society, says chipmaker Nvidia.
This was all over my feed.
After selling boatloads of GPUs to crypto miners over the years, tech chief says the development of chatbots is a more worthwhile use of processing power than crypto mining. Oh, that's right. They're selling boatloads of stuff for that now. Listen, whoever's buying, they're selling. They're like, oh, you got a use for this right now? Yeah, forget about cryptocurrencies. That's last year. That's 2 years ago.
Ray tracing.
U.S. chipmaker Nvidia said cryptocurrencies do not bring anything useful to society, despite the company's powerful processors selling in huge quantities to the sector. Michael Kagan, its chief technology officer, said other uses of processing power, such as artificial intelligence chatbot ChatGPT, were more worthwhile than crypto mining. Nvidia never embraced the crypto community with open arms. In 2021, the company even released software that artificially constrained the abilities to use it, the ability to use its graphics cards for mining popular Ethereum cryptocurrency. Well, but they did have a mining specific card, and then it was kind of, they were quiet on the bottom line when they were doing the earnings reports and stuff. And shareholders looked into it. They're like, they're selling a lot of cards for crypto purposes, and there's been stuff about it. So, but obviously the crypto isn't as hot as it was, and the AI has taken all the thunder from crypto, so they're all about it. The first version of ChatGPT was trained on a supercomputer made up of 10,000 NVIDIA graphics cards. Here's the quote. All this crypto stuff, it needed parallel processing, and NVIDIA's the best, so people just programmed it to use it for this purpose. They bought a lot of stuff, and then eventually it collapsed because it doesn't bring anything useful for society. Oof, fighting words to the crypto types. Doesn't bring anything, just nothing. All this crypto stuff, his words. With ChatGPT, everybody can now create his own machine, his own program. You just tell it what to do, and it will. And if it doesn't work the way you want it to, you tell it I want something different. Crypto, by contrast, was more like high-frequency trading, an industry that had led to a lot of business for Mellanox, the company Kagan founded before it was acquired by Nvidia. Yeah, it did kind of turn into that, didn't it? Trading. It's all about trading.